Today we are going to learn the sort and take functions in Excel. Here we have a table with the column employee name and salary. Let's suppose one day your boss asked you about the top 5 salaried employees of the organization. Write sort and then select the table. After that, write column number from which you want to sort your table, then write -1 for descending order. After closing the bracket, hit enter. Here, you have table with salary column in descending order. As we only want top 5 salary with employee name, now take function will come in action. Take function takes the certain number of rows and column from your data. Write take before the sort in your formula and open the bracket. Now at the end of the formula, write 5 after the comma and close the bracket. Now hit enter. You will see the top 5 salaries with their employee name.